Right now, today is the best time in history to start an online business and work from home. However, the number one question that I'm asked seemingly multiple times every single day is how do I start working from home? How do I start an online business without any money? So, in this video, I've actually put together 9 different ways that you could start working from home without any money down. In fact, I'm actually ranking these from at least a little bit of money that you can make all the way up to the potential of making 6, 7 figures per year simply working from home. So watch this entire video to learn 9 of my favorite ways to start making money simply working from home. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. Now, as I mentioned, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at 9 of my favorite side hustles that you could start today. Now, some of these are gonna bring you a little bit of money and they're going to be more short-term fixes, while others are going to bring you 5 figures per month, and they're going to be long-term ways that you can make money working from home that you could eventually turn into a full-time business. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the first way that you could make money simply working from home. Now, the first way that you can make money working from home is actually selling your old stuff. Now, we all have old stuff that we don't want, and believe me, there's tons of ways that you could sell it because our trash is somebody else's treasure, okay? For example, I have this old microphone that I'm using. This is a Blue Yeti X, where I could actually sell this on websites like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or even something like Poshmark if I have clothes, and I could make some money. Now, the cool thing is I could bring in some money up front simply selling my old used junk. However, we all run out of junk to sell and it's not scalable. So this is going to be one that pays you a little bit of money, but you can actually start getting some money in the front door that you could turn around and use for other things like groceries or even investing in a business. So number one is selling your old stuff. Number two is simply completing gigs over on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. Now again, this is a great way to get your foot in the door and start making some money. What you have to do is take a step back and look at the skills that you have or skills that you're willing to learn. People will pay you for everything from writing for them, writing blog posts for them, or being their friend. Yes, there are gigs over on Fiverr right now that you could be a part of, that you could join, simply being someone's friend and playing video games with them. So if you have a skill, if you have knowledge in a certain area, you could make money simply completing these gigs and these tasks. Now again, it's not going to bring you a lot of money for most people. The average amount of money that people make on Fiverr per month is about $100 to $200. However, this can be a great way to start getting some money in the front door that you can spend on other stuff like eggs and even your online business. Now, the reason why I think this is a okay way to start is because it's really competitive. There are tons of people all over the world that are looking to get into these gigs, simply sharing their skills. And so you're going to be fighting with a lot of people. And especially if you're brand new to the gig economy, you are going to be competing against people that have well-established names and brands and that are commanding lots of money. So it's doable, but it's going to be a little bit of a challenge, at least when you first get started. Number three, and one of my personal favorites, is building 5-page WordPress websites. Yes, you can work with companies, influencers, anybody really that needs a website, and it's really, really easy. Basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go out and find a client. Now, I have a few different videos that show you step-by-step on how to find a client. Go check those out if you wanna learn more about building a 5-page WordPress website business. But what you'd want to do is you'd want to go out and find clients, and then you want to find WordPress themes that make sense for that client. You are going to ask the client to give you all of the copy, so all of the text they want, any images, and basically what they want in those 5-page WordPress websites, and you can turn that around and make money. Now, when I was doing this, it usually took me about 3 hours to get everything turned around. If you're brand new to building on WordPress, it might take you 5 hours to start. However, once you get more experience, you'll be able to get faster at it. And if you don't know how to do something on WordPress, believe it or not, YouTube has the answer. Now, the reason why businesses will pay you, will hire you to build out 5-page WordPress websites is because these people aren't experts in website design. They, quite frankly, don't care about their website. They just know that they need to have something on the internet as a presence when they're sleeping or they're away from their job. These people are experts bakers and candlestick makers, they're not experts in building websites. That's why they're willing to pay you. Now, the cool thing with this is that you can make anywhere between $300 and $3,000 building out these simple 5-page WordPress websites. Now, again, I have a few different videos showing you how I was able to find clients. I'll link them below if you want to learn more about that opportunity. Number 4 is being a UGC content creator or influencer. I kind of group these in together because they're kind of the same. With UGC, you are going to work with different brands, and brands are going to have you do product reviews. Basically, you are going to be a one-man or woman advertising company. Now, this can be a great opportunity because you don't necessarily have to create your own brand. You don't necessarily have to have your own YouTube channel or TikTok. Basically, you are going to work with brands to create content for them. Again, you're going to be a one-man or one-woman advertising company. You'll work directly with these brands and corporations, and you'll create content for them. Now, with an influencer, you are going to be the brand. You are a brand. And people are going to follow you. They're going to know, like, and trust you because of whatever specialty or skill that you have. And the way that you would monetize being an influencer is brands are going to come to you and say, hey, look, I want you to run an ad or promotion on your next video. For example, think about Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, recently I've seen him doing actually YouTube ads. I've seen him doing sponsorships on his different content, and you essentially could do the same on a smaller level. Now, the reason why I give these two about 3 bags is because it can be kind of competitive to be an influencer or a UGC creator. Also, being a UGC creator kind of depends on the niche of the brand. It also depends on the economy. In a recession, some companies tend to pull back on their marketing, and there's going to be less UGC opportunity for everybody. So you have to consider that when you are looking for brands to work with. You might have to be concerned with exclusivity agreements. For example, if you're a UGC content creator for Coke, they probably don't want you to work with their biggest competitor, Pepsi. So those are all things that you have to think about and consider when you're getting into being an influencer or UGC content creator. After UGC or influencer, I really like creating membership sites. Now, membership sites can be YouTube memberships, they can be Patreons. Now, basically with a membership site, you are going to charge people every single month for additional information and access to you. For example, if you have a Patreon, you can offer them more courses, you can offer them more live sessions, you can give them different things that are congruent with your niche. Now, if you're an influencer, having a Patreon account basically means you are going to interact with your audience even more. Now, you can start a membership site. Let's say your niche is traveling. You could actually come up with more articles and information to help people travel. The cool thing with starting a membership is you can do a membership in literally any niche. If you're in the weight loss niche, again, you could offer additional trainings. You could do different challenges every single month to keep people on board and paying you monthly. Now, with memberships, you can charge anywhere between $5 and hundreds of dollars, depending on the amount of access and information that you can provide. The only challenge that you'll run into with starting a membership is that you're going to need to get traffic somehow, whether you decide to do it free with organic traffic on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, or you decide to do it paid, you run paid ads. You are going to need to develop a marketing strategy to get people into your membership. But memberships can be very lucrative if you put in the time, energy, and effort, and it's more of a slow growth thing. A lot of people won't have 1 million people in their membership in the beginning, but if they keep at it, they can have a very successful membership, and you don't need a lot of followers in order to be successful with your membership. After creating a membership, you can create and sell online courses. Now, with an online course, you are going to take what you already know and you are going to sell it online. This is a really cool opportunity simply because we all have a skill in something. My next door neighbor, for example, is an accountant. He could create an online course teaching cost accounting to new business owners. New business owners don't know the ins and outs of accounting. And so if he teaches them cost accounting, for example, he can have a very dedicated following. Now, this can bring you anywhere between a couple $1,000s a month and more than 5 or even 6 figures per month if you market it correctly. And it's going to be just like the membership where you need to identify a marketing strategy. Are you going to use free traffic like Facebook or YouTube, or are you going to use paid traffic like Facebook ads or even YouTube ads? But regardless of the strategy that you use, this can be very, very lucrative. Now, some people will use websites like Udemy and Skillshare. While that can work, you're going to be suppressing the amount of money that you can make. Okay, with Udemy, most courses are between $9.99 and $14.99. However, if you sell the course yourself, you could sell that exact same course for $500 or more. So if possible, I recommend that you try and sell the course on your own, and you'll be much more successful. Now, if you want to sell the course on your own, you can use a website like Teachable or Podia or even ClickFunnels to create the course and sell it and make money. After creating and selling online courses, one of my most favorite ways to work from home is with affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, you are simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. Basically, what you need to do with affiliate marketing is identify a problem and create content to solve that problem. For example, if we look at this Blue Yeti X microphone, people are looking for this if they want better audio at an affordable price. And so people are going to YouTube or TikTok and they're asking questions like how to make better audio for the YouTube videos, how to make better YouTube videos. They're asking questions like the Blue Yeti X versus some of their competitors, and you can create content to answer that question. And then you simply put your affiliate link in the description of your videos and you can make money. Now, what I recommend that you do if you're going to get started with affiliate marketing today is start with the products that you have lying around your house. You don't have to go out and buy products. You can start with what you have, and then you can upgrade over time. As long as you have a smartphone, you can get started with affiliate marketing. You can create YouTube videos with your smartphone. You can obviously do TikTok and short format videos as well. But affiliate marketing is a great way to go from 0 to 10, 20, or even 30K per month with different products. Now you can promote high ticket products, low ticket, reoccurring. There are tons of opportunities out there. Just identify a problem, create content to solve that problem, and you can be successful with affiliate marketing. The next way that you can make money working from home is simply creating and selling digital products. Now, digital products are simply products that you create once and then you sell again and again and again. Digital products can be anything from a podcast to a downloadable. It can be WordPress themes. It could even be Canva templates. It's just something that you create once and then you can sell it again and again and again. Now, there are a number of ways to sell digital products. One of the more popular ways is to create and sell digital products over on Etsy. Another way is to use a website like Gumroad. I like selling digital products on my own because I have more access to the customers and the consumer. One of the best ways to be successful selling digital products is to identify a problem that your target audience has, create that digital product, and then market it to them. Once again, you are going to need to identify, are you going to use free marketing strategies or paid marketing strategies? But once you identify that, you are off to the races. Now, the cool thing is you can create a digital product in any niche. And one of the best types of digital products out there are checklists, workbooks, planners, all sorts of stuff. If you are struggling to come up with a digital product idea, look over on Etsy, type in your niche, and then type in planner, journal, workbook, checklist, and see what pops up. Now, obviously, I am not telling you to steal anybody else's content, but just look at that for inspiration, and you'll have a flood of ideas. The next way that you could start working from home is simply starting a YouTube channel. Yes, YouTube channels are still very popular and very profitable in 2023. You can get started with a YouTube channel today and eventually be successful as long as you keep uploading content. Now, to be successful with YouTube, you need to identify an audience, identify what they want to know or the type of entertainment they like to experience, and you need to create that content. For example, I know that you want to work from home. That's why you're here. You can create content in literally anything and be successful. One of the most successful YouTube channels that I watch is a guy that has a concrete business. He makes videos about his day job of making concrete. You would think concrete is the most boring thing in the world. However, it's very profitable for him. It's a pretty good size of his business. And you can do this too. You basically identify a niche, whether it's something you do for your work, for your day job, or it's something that you have a passion about or passion with, and you just create that content. Eventually, if you are consistent and persistent enough, you can start making money with YouTube. You can make money with the YouTube Partner Program. If you make long form content, you just need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. You can also make money with memberships, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, and super chats. There are a ton of ways that you can make money with your YouTube channel that are almost built in. So it's almost a no-brainer. Now that you know the 9 different ways that you can make money working from home without spending any money, click the first link in the description for my free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners will help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to download your free planners today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you build your online business.